Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the mytonies app in your device. So let's get started. So if you are an Apple user, you should must use your Apple Store, and if you are an Android user, you should use your Google Play Store. So at here I will just go to my Google Play Store, okay, and I will directly search for the app as mytonies, okay. So here I will just search for the app mytonies. So here you can see mytonies app. So you can click on the install button and it will automatically download and install the app. If you scroll down, you can also see the app review and app uses. So you can also rate the app from here, and you can also give the ratings. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.